Hey guys, it's Maxwell, and I'm actually going to be trying a bunch of treats all in front of me. As you can see behind me, I have my premium box. I'm trying, I believe it's called Tokyo Treats, right here. So, I got that. So let's get started. So the first one is Peach Coca-Cola. This is also the first Peach Coca-Cola, and also made in Japan. So it can be pretty cool. It smells really good. Let me look at the camera. Okay, it's kind of strong, a bit strong actually. It tastes really good actually. It tastes pretty much like peach, quite a bit actually. Suda, I can't pronounce that. Shrimp potato ring party pack actually. So I'm gonna try this. That's what it looks like. It looks like a pyramid kind of. So there's actually multiple. They're very tiny, actually. It's very tiny. Now I don't really like shrimp, so it smells like shrimp. Let's try it. Actually, this is not bad. Melon bread cookie. Got a little panda. Excuse me, in front. Smells really good, actually. It's a little panda. I don't know if y'all can see it, but little panda. Yeah, it tastes pretty bad. It's pretty bad. I'm gonna set it to the side. Mostly because it just like before it just like puts like all the flavor and it just gets really strong to me, but then afterwards like winds down and it tastes better. Sakura Marshmallows, and these marshmallows are actually made from actual flowers, and then in the front there's like actual flowers on top. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the name of the flower is obviously Sakura, or I guess Sakura. So let's give these a try. That was amazing. Okay. And I mean, I might try this later. You could probably add no hot cocoa with this. Probably gonna taste really good because flowers. Shimi cocoa Corn-Milky red bean. It's a popular treat in Japan apparently. So give these a try. They smell really good actually. These are amazing. The milky flavor. Not like too much, not too little, perfect. The bean, you can definitely taste that. Really good. So the next one is chocolate Kento Mushidai. So I think we have to actually make this. Tells us how to do it. So let's see. Let's do step one. It's actual fork in here. Pour the chocolate sauce on the into two empty sections on the tray. For who knows, 30 seconds or so. Ugh. Tastes horrible. And I have some peach Coca-Cola. Makes everything better. It's still in my mouth, so I'm gonna have a lot more. So, let's see. Don't know how to open this. Super small. Got it inside my little plate. It's like really hard, but at the same time, really good. I don't know if I can put this in the screen. There's 4 bags. First one looks like Superman with a smiley face. Next one is Squid Jerky. I don't want to try this at all, but for you guys, I'll try it.
You don't have to if you don't want to.
Crunchy. No, that's not good. Okay, well, that tastes horrible. Yeah. My top 5 is number 5 was the panda. Panda. The 4th one is the little shrimp things. The 3rd one is the marshmallows. To open right now, I don't want to spill it. The marshmallows right here, the flour one. 2nd favorite, obviously, peach Coca-Cola. And then 1st one I just said, green tea. So, very good. If you want me to do more, hit that like button. But also, I do want to do more because most of this was amazing. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you like it. I'll see y'all guys next time. And bye.